Uh-huh.
And the other thing is that I'm not super nervous with it melting because even if it does melt, I want that taken off. Like I would either flatten it or take it off.
Gotcha. Oh, man. This is tough stuff. It's good and hot. But ooh, is this tough stuff to move. Clamp it in here. There. Now.
That's my hammer, but okay.
Oh, man. All right. Back to the heat. Opened it a little.
Yep. Got it a little bit.
I think you're hot, buddy.
Yep. Can you grab me my hammer? And then open the fire, please. And letting my cut get some.
Gotcha.
And I got a new cut.
A new cut?
Yep.
That'll happen. Alright. Oh, man. There. Alright, I think it's straight enough that we can straighten out the rest of the way with a hammer. Alright, straighten this out. There. Using my grip pliers. There, that part's getting there. I need to straighten this. I think I'm gonna hold it on this end to heat it. Yes I am. Well, that part's pretty good. I just need to fix this. I think I'm going to try to do that in the vise. That's what I think. That's what I think. Or at least get it closer. The vise will straighten it out. Ooh.
What?
It's not quite hot in exactly the spot I wanted it to be hot.
So you can try it?
We'll try it.
I still haven't burnt this Christmas tree yet.
That's not the Christmas tree.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Hard to bend, huh?
Oh. Nope.
Needs to be hotter there?
Might need to be hotter. And this vise just might not have enough oomph. But we'll try it if I get it hotter in the spot I want. Alright, I'm going to pound a little.
Hey, call it! I finished it! Well, kind of.
We're getting there. This thing's hot. Feel the heat radiating off through my gloves. There. That's getting pretty straight. It's getting there. Yeah. All right. I think next, I think this is the end I'm going to bring down to more of a point. Could use a little more straightening, but it's looking good. I hear my phone ringing. I'll have to wait. I got steel to pound. Alright, look at that. We're getting there. More heat. Uh-oh, might have gotten a little too hot here. That's what happens. I went and I called back who was calling me. Got distracted for just a couple minutes. Now my goal is I want to be able to use that rebar punch to make the first hole, and then use this to get into that to widen out that hole. Or not my rebar punch, my tire iron punch. So here's that. I think I need to draw that tip much smaller. Okay, back to the heat. Getting sparkly again. Whew. Lion metal. Well, it's cold now. Get it back in the fire. Man, that's twice now. That's getting there though. Here's that. Here's this. Almost there. Little thinner. Then I want to even that taper, make it a little shallower of an angle. That's good. What's happening is my pliers slip a joint and then they get loose and then I lose it. So, just got to be careful. See, my pliers slipped again already. I'm probably just so beat up at this point that they're just shot. Getting there. Oh, look at that. It all tapers in on this side, and this side is nice and flat. Those of you that know a little more about this, is that because, here's my guess, I don't know, you tell me, is that because I'm hitting it on this side, so this side is moving in, this side's on the anvil, so, or off the anvil, so it's staying flush? That's my guess. You tell me. Well, we'll find out, so I'll try hitting it on the other side. But, back to the heat. So, I was going to try hitting it this way. Yeah, that evened it out a little more. I think we're in business. Yeah, we are. Got it. I got the tip I want, I think. Does it need any fine tuning? I'm sure it does. Better question is, am I going to do any fine tuning? Because then it'll get to about here. Nope. I like the tip. Now the question is, I should probably flatten that out. So I'll heat it. I'll upset that end just a bit, like this. Not actually. I'm just trying to gauge. Do I like how long it is? Do I want to straighten that out? I don't know. Get the end flattened out a little. I should probably try to straighten this. Yeah, I should. Do the end first. That end in this coal now with real coal instead of charcoal, I don't know if it gets hotter or what. This stuff, man, does this heat up fast. So I'm even just going to leave the camera running here so you can see just how quick it'll heat up that end. Oh, you can hear my phone's ringing again. But they'll have to wait, otherwise that tip's going to burn off. Almost there. There. Not super hot, but hot enough to do this. There. Nice flat tip. Wonderful. Alright, I'm going to leave this out of the fire while I call back so I don't burn it. What? I think I like it. Think I do. I think I do. So now, let's see. Guess the next step is a heat treat.